If you are looking for how to set transition duration in Filmora, then keep watching. I have a few pictures. I'm selecting all pictures and drag onto the timeline. And now head to the transition and in the recommended apply the first transition. Drag onto the photos and here you can see that there is a box that is the transition box, and here is the red line which is the size and duration of the transition. Right now the transition time is 2 seconds. So when I play it, and here you can see that it takes a little long. So how you can reduce it? When you click this box, you will see on the right side the transition duration is the 2 seconds. So here you need to reduce it by clicking this arrow and make it 1 second. Now you can see that the transition box size is also reduced. Now play it. And this is much quicker and much better. And now head to the another transition and apply on the pictures. And now you can see that this time the transition is also 2 seconds. So you have to again set the manually. So you need to again click on the and manually set it. So this take a lot of times if you have a bigger project timeline. So how you can set the transition effect to the 1 second once for all. So for this you need to click on the file and head to the preferences, and under the editing tab click on that, and here is the transition duration is 2 seconds. Now change it to the 1 second and click OK. And now every time you apply any transition on the timeline, you will see that the transition duration is 1 second. So this will save your time and also the performance of your video. And here you can adjust the transition time to the 1 second. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.